Hi everyone, so today I want to unbox with you finally Alicante in Raw Sugar Blonde R by Belletress. This has been on back order and I just couldn't wait to get it. So here it is finally. So let's have a look. I haven't even sneaked a peek. I haven't done anything. I just want to unbox it with you. So it's nice in its little box with a net. So whilst we're here, let's look at the cap construction. So you have a monofilament part that seems to go back all the way to the crown. And then you have an extended lace front, open weft, sides and back. And then you have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters and velvet covered ear tabs. So every now and then you might get some of this where the fibers poke through, even if it's fresh out of the box. So what I like to do is just push it back in so I don't need to worry about it later on. And now it's gone. Right, I'm so excited. Love this color. Raw Sugar Blonde R is probably one of my favorite colors by Belletress because it just suits my skin tone really well, I think. So you have that zigzag part. Let me just shake it. Just if you're new to wigs, shake the wig before you put it on because it just frees the fibers and then they move more freely, and then it gives it a more natural look. Because you know the wigs have been sitting in a box for a while and all the fibers will be clumped in. So let me pop that on. If you have hair like mine, or if you have hair like me, I have, so you might want to use a little wig cap to cover the dark of your hair so you can see that illusion of scalp a bit better. I'm not that fussed about it, so I don't tend to do it. I don't like to have another layer on top of the, on top of having the wig on, etc. It's just too much. So let's have a look. Oh, it's cute. So I don't want to play with it too much. I want to show you what it looks like straight out of the box. I like this wig, and when I saw it, I thought this is great for every day because it's not going to rub on my clothes, so it will last me a while. It's really pretty. So let's look at the lace front. Beautiful as ever. So let me just pop it in the right place. 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose. This is where the hairline should be, so a little bit more up like so. And you can't quite see the part. This is due to the zigzag parting, but also because I have that dark hair underneath it. So it's not going to be as prominent as with somebody who hasn't got hair. So let's move that. And now I'm just going to brush it through or comb it through. So cute. I might move this a bit more this way. I think it's important to play with the part a bit. So it's a bit of a flopper, as you can see, easily rectified with some heat. So you just pop some heat on here and let it cool. So I just hold it back like this. So I think this is really cute. Tucked behind like so. It does remind me only a little bit of Esprit by Ellen Wille. So it's slightly longer and the wave pattern is similar, I would say, but it's not heat-friendly fibers. So if you're after something similar looking, but you're not the biggest fan of heat-friendly fibers, then maybe look at Esprit by Ellen Wille. I think it's really cute. It's really lightweight. Permatease wise, nothing to really report here. It's absolutely cute. So tell me what you think of Alicante. Tell me if you have it, or if you want it, and tell me which color you have, etc. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and my review will be coming very soon.